Good afternoon, I'm Sergio Martinez.
I'm Ken Birch, and this is my 10th year playing pro basketball.
In what school you go when you were young?
High school in Hungary, and then university in America.
If you didn't play in Girona, which team would you like to play for?
Los Angeles Lakers.
I'll give a different answer than Lakers, or I'll say the Sacramento Kings. We have a lot of basketball exercise, but if I have to choose one, is shooting exercise.
I played last year against Paris. Paris has a basketball team also, and I did very well, and we had a very good game, and I think that's my favorite match.
Thank you.
Nice, go!
¿Estás yes?
Joder, pase, pase. Nice.
Mi grupo no pasa cuidado,